So guys, hello and welcome to this tutorial. In the previous tutorial, actually we were talking about 1D arrays and how do we concatenate them, but we actually didn't see the rules and all about them. Actually, not about them, about 2D arrays and how we can concatenate them or we can't concatenate them. So let us talk about the rules. So first, one of the rules is you cannot concatenate arrays with different dimensions. So that is actually obvious. I'll explain it to you. Hold on. I'll use a pen. Suppose you have a 1D array and assume this to be a 1D array, 1 and 2. I'm writing with a mouse, so bear with my handwriting as of now. So you have this 1D array and this is a 2D array and this has elements 3, 4, 5 and 6, whatever. Okay, and if you try to join them, how will you join them, right? Even if you try to join them in this way, like suppose like this, then what is this? This is not an array, obviously. So what will you write over here? What is this? What is this? We don't know. So obviously you cannot join 1D array and 2D array, 3D arrays. You cannot concatenate them interdimensions, you can say. So if you can't do them, that is one of the rules. Fine. We saw this rule now. Now input array dimensions must match exactly except the dimensions along the axis specified. So what do I mean by this? Actually, let us talk about it over here on this slide. So suppose you have a 2D array like this, which is say 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have this 2D array and again you have one more 2D array, but see the dimensions of this axis are say, yeah, we know the dimensions of this axis are 2 comma 2, and after that suppose you have another 2D array. Now remember, this is not a 1D array, this is a 2D array. So when I mention this, I'll write an array inside an array, that is I'll use nested list. So this will be a, suppose it has 5 comma 6, so this is a 2D array actually. So now this is again a 2D array, but now the dimensions of this thing are 1 comma 2, because there are one rows and two, there is one row and there are two columns. So that's why if you try to concatenate them, you can do this, but if you will have to add this 5 comma 6 below over here, so it will be like this. Actually the whole array will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 in this way. You can do that in this way. Now see, the axis that you are using is zeroth axis, because see, this is the zeroth axis, right? So you can do that, and this is the zeroth axis, so you can add along this axis. So that's why the dimensions along this axis need not to be the same, because see, this is the dimension along the zeroth axis and this is the dimension along the zeroth axis, and this is the dimension along the one axis and this is the dimension along the one axis. So the dimension along the one axis should be same, because 2 and 2, then only you can join, because there are two elements and there are two elements. That's why you can join along the zeroth axis even if the dimensions along the zeroth axis, that is 2 and 1, are not same. But if you try to join them say along the first axis, then along the first axis dimensions are same, but they need not be the same, because what is happening, because I am joining along the one axis, so the dimension along the one axis need not be the same, but the dimension except this one axis should be the same. Now the dimensions except the one axis are 2 and 1 and they are obviously not the same. So if you try to join them, it will be somewhat like this. Now I am really writing in a really bad handwriting, but still the joined array will be kind of like this. So what will be over here? It is a question mark. So what will you do over here? That's why the rule is actually, I'll again go back to the slide. Input array dimension must match exactly except the dimension along the axis. So what do they mean is, the axis that you specify need not have the same dimensions, but the other dimensions, or the other axis should be the same. I'll explain it to you all by using an example actually. So see, suppose I have this 2D array, these two 2D arrays actually. So first of all, I'll print out A and B. We got A and B. So see, the shape of A over here is 2 comma 2 and the shape of B over here is 1 comma 2. So if you try to join them, I'll just write print. By join I mean concatenate, remember. So numpy dot concatenate. First of all, I use a tuple, and inside this tuple I'm going to write A comma B, that is A and B that I have to join. And by default axis is 0, but I'll still mention it. Axis is what I'm doing. So axis equals to 0, and let us just run this code. Yeah, so if I run this code, see, it will, this is the concatenated product, right? Because it just added or joined, actually not added, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 along the zeroth axis. That's why we got this thing. But if you try to mention the axis as 1 now and just run this code, then it will throw us an error. What is it saying? It is saying all the input array dimensions for the concatenation axis must exactly belong to dimension 0, and the array at index has size 2. Basically what do they mean is, the whatever thing I explained on the slide, so that's what they mean. So basically you cannot do this, you will have to take care of the axis along which you want to concatenate them. But you say you have to do it, whatever happens you have to just concatenate them. Then you will have to change the dimensions of B, right? Because what happens, the dimensions of B over here or the shape of B is see the shape of A actually is 2 comma 2 and the shape of B is 1 comma 2, but I want the shape of B to be 2 comma 1, right? So for changing that shape I can just use B dot transpose or B dot capital T or the transpose function. So now what is happening, the shape of this array is 2 comma 2 and the shape of this array is now 2 comma 1 because it changed. Yeah, right. Transpose means from the shape being from 1 comma 2 it changed now to 2 comma 1. So now the dimensions along the axis will be 2, which is, sorry, not 2, that will be different actually. So 2 and 1. So it is fine if the dimensions along the one axis is different, are different, but the dimension along the other axis, that is the 0th axis, will be 0. So we can do that now and just run this code. Now they will get concatenated, but see what is happening, it just did the transpose of B. So say this whole array is A actually, don't include 5, from 1 2 3 and 4, it is an array A, and we just took the transpose of B so that we change the dimensions, and that actually, see, actually you can see this is a row and this is a column, right? So just took the transpose of B and then we joined them. So you can do it like that. So I think that's all for this tutorial. We are going to talk about more of the functions, for joining and all, like concatenate, in the next tutorial. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. And you can subscribe to our channel for more such programming related content. Thank you.